With the advancement of technology, electronic equipments have become an integral part of our lives. From to space shuttles, be it heavy engineering, mines, petrochemicals, pharmaceuticals, robotics, medical and marine industry, everything is powered by automation, process control and CNC systems. All the electronics in this system go faulty because of various reasons and usually at most inopportune time. In many cases, purchasing a new system would be too expensive. The spare parts needed for may not be available. In a few cases, OEMs might have stopped the product support, or even worse, the company might have closed down. No matter what, we have a solution for all these issues. Our highly charged, motivated and self-driven engineers and technicians with over 600 years of combined experience and expertise in the industry have been providing the most comprehensive solutions through repairs, replacement, retrofit and SPMs since 1995. No matter what the purpose of the electronic system was and whichever part of the world it might have come from, we assure you we have a solution. We at AMS are proud to be a one-stop solution company that brings in together a unique blend of services. So talk to AMS because your machine deserves tomorrow.